Alright, Willie's not vlogging, but I'm vlogging for him. Vlogging.
We are going to a skate
We are
park.
back. What are we doing, K-Dog?
I don't know the name of the skate park, but we what is it?
It's called Belco, mate.
It's called
What's it called, mate?
Belco.
Oh, we're going to Belco Skate Park, and we literally drove by it, and supposedly it's the biggest one in Australia, and it has ginormous box jumps. So, like always, Nitro's gonna go take it out for a little bit.
Curtis, we lighting the fire?
We're lighting the fire, baby!
The boys are back!
We're firing.
Just rocked up to the skate park with the boys. Beaver Fleming has even made an appearance.
Yeah, we are.
Ryan Williams is gonna take all the kids away from us so we don't get the million questions.
What do you want the
We get to ride.
We'll go to the
We're
opposite
doing
way of the session.
it!
Alright.
We are here and we are doing it! Skate park, about to go down.
Hey dudes. How are we? There you go. Yeah, boy.
He's down for North for sure.
Yeah, man. Are you guys going?
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
I don't know.
Gonna have a session, get some tricks done. This guy. Does anyone know who this guy is? I think his name's Ryan or something. Ryan Williams? I don't know.
No shoes, brother.
Okay, dog. What do you think about that, mate?
That was sick.
Alright, so Willie is going to do a nose manual, and then as he lands it, I'm going to drop in and flare whip. So he's going to nose manual from here into here. I got the shakes if you can't tell. And then as he lands, I'm going to pass my GoPro off to me mate and flare whip. So come on, Wilson, can we get it first go, mate? You reckon he's got it first go?
Yeah, man.
I don't think he does.
Land it there, right?
I might have to pass you my camera, mate. He didn't get it first go. I told ya. He just needed a high five. Oh, mate. Mate. Oh. Come on, Willie. I want to do a flare whip, man. Oh, he's got it. No, he doesn't. Oh. He doesn't. Reckon he's going to land it now? You think so? She thinks so. Oh, she was right. Oh, pressure, mate. Oh. No. I'm so sorry. Alright, we're good. Alright, so I blew it. Slid out of a flare whip. So now I'm oh, Willie's taking his shirt off. His shirt's coming off. Alright, apparently this is the one. The shirts are off. It's getting serious. I let him down before. See, he's got the hard trick. Thing is, he'd probably be having a nice drink under the shade right now if I didn't crash. So, come on, Willie. I'm gonna bet something here. I'm gonna bet right now he's gonna land it, and he's gonna have a perfect show tomorrow night. Calling it. I think he's getting angry. He's getting angry. Yeah. Alright. He's saying this one's for X Games. I don't know how X Games has to do with the nose manual, but Willie really wants to be in X Games, so I think he's dedicating this to being in X Games. So I think he's going to get it. He's going to get it. Oh, thought he had it. Willie, you obviously don't want to be in X Games bad enough. $10. How many cheeseburgers is he gonna buy? Oh, he's buying so many cheeseburgers. He's gonna buy so many cheeseburgers.
Yes, man.
That was like the best one I did.
Good little line, finishing up at the skate park. Gonna head back to the venue and get a little practice in. Cheers, guys.